In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Windows 10. If you're looking to give your screen a fresh, sleek look that's easy on the eyes, switching to dark mode is a fantastic choice. Not only does it add a cool aesthetic to your interface, but it can also help reduce eye strain, especially in low light environments. Now, let's walk through the steps to change your Windows 10 theme to dark mode. To begin, head over to your keyboard and hit the Windows key. This action will bring up the Start menu, where you can access a variety of features and settings. Now, in the search bar of this menu, type Settings. This will prompt the system to search for the Settings app, which is the hub for customizing your Windows experience. Once you see the settings icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open the main settings window on your screen, displaying a variety of options to fine-tune your operating system's functionality and appearance. Here's where the personalization begins. Look for the option labeled Personalization and select it. It might take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll see a list of categories running along the side of the screen. These categories include everything from background images to themes and lock screen settings. With the personalization window open, your next stop is the Colors tab. Click on it to unveil options relating to color themes and effects for your entire system. This is where you can have some fun with your interface and where the magic of dark mode unfolds. In the colors section, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Choose Your Color. Go ahead and give this drop-down menu a click. Here you have the option to switch between light, dark, and custom mode. Among these choices, select the dark option. This will instantly transition your system's interface to a darker theme. You'll notice that the background of many system apps, such as Settings and File Explorer, along with the taskbar and Start menu, will transform into a dark, sleek look. And there you have it. With the simple selection of dark, you've successfully enabled dark mode on your Windows 10 computer. It's really that easy. Enjoy the cool aesthetics and the strain relieving benefits of your newly customized interface. Remember, you can always switch it back if dark mode isn't suiting your needs, or you can explore more customization options under the personalization settings. Hopefully this guide has made it easy for you to enable dark mode on your Windows 10 system. Thank you for watching and enjoy the new look of your interface.